Hello, my name's Sharita Gardner with Mobile Oil Credit Union. And do you know what month it is? That's right, it's February. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner. When you think of Valentine's Day, I'm sure you think of fancy dinners, gifts, chocolate, champagne, and flowers. Well, here are a few budget savvy ideas to incorporate all of those things without overspending this year. If you insist on dining out, look for some specials months in advance. It may cut your cost in half. But right now, it may be a little smarter to just cook a romantic dinner at home, and that may also cut the price in half of what it would cost you to dine out. If you're going for something fancy, that's great, but a sweet gesture like a heart-shaped pepperoni pizza may melt someone's heart as well. If you need bubbly to go with that, try Prosecco instead of an expensive bottle of champagne to cut costs. Now let's set the mood for that dinner with some great music. Create a playlist on your phone with your favorite songs. Don't forget to add maybe your wedding song or other songs that bring back memories for the two of you. Next, after dinner, let's do something fun like watch a movie, right? Make it thoughtful. Watch the very first movie you ever saw together or a movie that brings back old memories for you. Now let's talk about those gifts. So, if there's something in particular you're looking for, start months in advance and you may find that item on special and you can just tuck it away at home until February. Buy flowers by going to your local wholesale florist, Walmart, or Sam's. Get those individual long stem roses, put them together yourself in a vase that you already have at home. And if you want it to look the part, go buy a fancy ribbon and put it on there yourself. And then it's aesthetically pleasing. If you want to do something, DIYs are always the way to go when it comes to gifts. Maybe get a special picture of you two and put it in a nice frame. A good idea to set the tone for Valentine's Day overall is to start the day out by writing a special love note and mailing it to your house or their home or their workplace. That way, you have a huge romantic gesture for less than $1. Lastly, let me tell you a trick I'll never forget. After Valentine's Day, keep this secret between you and I. All of the cards and merchandise go on sale. So go buy a few things and keep them until next year. That way, when February comes around, you're ready. I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day and you spread lots of love.